Hey there, and congratulations on taking the next step to learn how you can have consistent $300 days working from your home. For those of you who don't know me, I am Wendy Rahilly, and I have been making money online for over a decade now. That's 10 years, okay? I've had a ton of trial and error. I've learned all the ins and outs. I know what works, I know what doesn't, and today I want to help you learn how you can make consistent $300 payments from your home. Okay, I realize there is a lot of different opportunities and programs out there, and it can get a bit confusing on what's legitimate, what's not, and that kind of thing. So today, real quick in this video, I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of the back office of this program so you can see right up front what we have to offer, and you can make an informed and educated decision on if this opportunity is right for you. Okay, because contrary to what other people, the way they conduct business, I don't want to work with anybody who is not 100% on board, okay, and who does not feel comfortable about this opportunity. I want to work with people who are 100% on board and are ready to take action and start making money as quickly as possible. Okay, so if you are ready, let me go ahead and walk you through the back office, and what is available to you. Okay. All right. The name of the program, this $300 a day program, is called Infinity Processing System. Okay. And I'm just going to log in really quick. Now, there are 3 levels, just so you know. There's a starter level, there is an elite level, and then there's the pro membership level, okay? And as you can see, I am actually a pro member. I am the top membership level. So what I'm going to show you in the back office is going to be everything that this program has to offer, should you decide to go with the highest membership. And I will go through that as well in a second, okay? Now, real quick, before we get into the back office, this is really basically what the sales page looks of the Infinity Processing System. So you can go ahead, and if you want to go ahead and watch this video really quick, it's not necessary because my video is going to kind of go through the nuts and bolts of what you need to learn. But you can, if you want, you can go through here and just kind of read. You can learn a little bit about me. And here you can connect with me on social media. All right. This kind of tells you a little bit of the steps, but again, I'm going to go into further detail. And then this kind of goes over the different levels. Another video. I haven't even watched that one. That's funny. This is basically a table that's going to kind of show you what your potential commission would be, depending on what you're bringing in and what's possible and so forth. Okay, so you can go ahead if you want and kind of go through this if you want. And also, another thing you get with this program is you get access to our private Facebook group, which is not loading. Oh, here it is. Okay. And just real quick, a little bit of what that looks like. We have over 1.8 K members, which 1,800 members so far. And as you can see, if we offer live coaching. There's training. You're not left alone. We have a community of people. Actually, there is a live coaching session going on, or actually just went on, not even an hour ago. I'll have to catch the replay on that one. But as you can see, people are welcoming new members into this program, like on a everyday basis, okay? See, here's another one. This one joined in pro. This one joined at the starter level. And this one joined at the starter level. Another starter level. We have another pro level, another starter, and so forth, another pro. So this just shows you that this system works. People are joining every single day. So there is potential for you to earn those $300 payments daily. Okay, so anyway, let me go ahead into my back office and just kind of give you a glance of what's behind the scenes here. Now, just so you know, again, there are 3 levels. Okay, so what I have in my back office doesn't necessarily mean that's what you're going to have. Okay, it depends on the level that you join. But like the starter level here, which costs $50, and this is a one-time payment. There are no monthly fees. These are a one-time payment, and then you're in. Okay, this kind of goes through the stuff that you get, and then the elite level is $150 one-time payment, and then you have, obviously, you have more. You get more, which I'm going to show you in a second, and then you have the pro membership, which is the one I'm with. That's a one-time $300 payment, and you have all of this training and products and things like that. So let me just go ahead and show you. So when you log in to your membership area, you have the get started video. You're definitely going to want to watch that and get yourself set up here. Like if you haven't joined our coaching group, you can do so here. We also have a Facebook proof group, which if you want to reach out to me, I can put you in that proof group before you even join this opportunity. It kind of gives you the opportunity to meet other people, see people's proof of payments, see that they're being paid, that kind of thing, okay? It shows you just basically how to set up your website. Over here on the left is where all your training is located. So as you can see, you're going to have an introductory get set up. We also have a training on how to get an automated sales funnel created. It's a 6-figure funnel. So you're going to have training on that. We have exactly what to say. These are scripts. It's a 6-figure closing script. So, if somebody reaches out and says, hey, I'd like more information, you have the exact script of what to say to them, okay, and how to close them into this, this program. We have training on mindset, like how to have a winning mindset, money mindset, that kind of thing. Daily affirmations. We have the art of persuasion and influence training. Teaches you how to be, influential and persuasive to attract people to you, that kind of thing. So we have plenty of training on that. We have 200 pre-written advertisements. Let me just show you really quick what that looks like. This is basically copy and paste. Plug it onto your social medias and let it do the work for you in drawing people in, drawing in those leads. We have like exactly what, advertise on what to post. These are like attractive headlines that pull people in. We also have pre-made images, which is down here. These are some of our older ones, but if you come towards the bottom here, we have some newer ones that are well designed and they really draw in people. Okay, so you're going to have access to that. You just basically copy and paste the images into your social media. And we show you how to do that. Okay, everything we show you how to do. You're not left by yourself to learn all this by yourself. So, So that's 200. And again, the amount you get is going to depend on which membership you come in at. And right here we have an option where you can upgrade. So if you decide that you're not ready yet for the Elite or the Pro membership, you can always get started at the starter level, which is only $50. One-time payment for $50. Later on, if as you start making money, you can upgrade, and that would be right here. Okay, we have a 7-day action plan for your success. The exact income-producing activities that you're going to take each day, every week, to start making those daily $300 payments, okay? We have training on how you can post unlimited ads for free on classified websites that have high traffic, okay? We have a Facebook marketing training. It shows you exactly how to market on Facebook, including video, groups, all things Facebook. We have a paid traffic, if that's what you prefer. We have a different different ad providers, solo ad providers, that you can go and buy paid traffic, which really kind of increases your odds of making more daily payments, but that's optional. Craigslist marketing, how to do that effectively. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, okay, all the different social media platforms. We show you exactly how to market on those platforms and generate leads and sign-ups into the program. And even not just this program, but if you are doing something else on the side, you have a different business and you want to promote that, all this training here is going to show you how you can promote your current business as well, okay? We have an automated six-figure business system that you can follow. It's a complete sales funnel that you will set up one time, and it's going to start automatically generating leads and sales and sign-ups while you sleep, okay? And then, of course, we have our bonus different vouchers for different hotels and restaurants. So you can go, if you want to travel and get away for a little while, take a little mini vacation. This is going to give you some huge discounts on all different places around the world, okay? So as you can see, this opportunity it has a lot to offer, and not only just that, but you also get me. I would be your personal mentor, your personal coach. I will take you by the hand and show you exactly what you need to be doing. I'm going to give you mentorship, coaching. I also have my own Facebook group, which I'm going to show you really quick, where I load up regularly with all different types of training. Excuse me, it's all for free. Just take you by the hand, teach you how to do things like brand yourself, prospect, recruit, close people. I have how to skyrocket your engagement on your social media platforms. Right here is just a sneak peek of my personal training on the side. How to cold message if you want to do that. How to build, build rapport the right way. We have mindset training, branding, general home business tips, generating leads, how to get clear on your target audience, all things home business, building. Okay, so as you can see, you have tons of support, tons of training, tons of value. So if you would like some more information for that, go ahead and click on the button below this video to get started. And it will bring you to this page again, where you will go ahead and just choose which package you want to come in at. You make your one-time payment. You're going to get instant access to the back office, and we'll get your website up and running and get you into training within the next 24 hours, and you will be good to go. Okay, so go ahead and click on the bottom button right under this video to get started on your package now. Take care.